You know, especially he was doing the maximum to reach an end of this aggression and to sign a ceasefire so that we can end this aggression against our people. But every time they have always sought new excuses to postpone or to undermine all these attempts.
Yeah, I agree, because I did speak to him over the phone and I met him in Doha and we are in touch with some of our friends, and I've been just a few days back, the latest information from our brothers in Turkey, and clearly brother Marhum Ismail Hania has been one of the pillars in the struggle and wanting a peaceful resolution to defend the rights of the
Yes.
Palestinian people. But clearly there's a sabotage. They don't want this to succeed. They don't want the peaceful resolution.